Welcome to the OAPN podcast with your host, Adarsh Sakre. No bullshit, no cuts, 100% raw conversations with 0% fucks to give. We don't encourage the consumption of alcohol, but if you want to open up a cold one while you watch this, it's not a bad idea.
Welcome to yet another episode. Welcome to episode number 112 on a personal note with Adarsh Sakre. On episode 111, we celebrated our 78th Independence Day with Lieutenant Colonel Srinivas MN. That was an amazing episode. We shot it this morning, but obviously planning to release it on Independence Day, which you all would have seen by now. Today we have yet another special guest in the studio. Before I speak a little more about her, let's say hi to Sakshi Ved. Hi Sakshi, welcome. Namaskara. Namaskara Sakshi. Namaskara. Namaskara. This is probably one of the most, I think the word is ironic episodes that we're doing. So to give you a little background, Sakshi has a page called More Than Kannada Gottilla, where she is a non-Kannadiga.
Yeah,
she's a non-Kannadiga teaching non-Kannadigas Kannada, right? And it's crazy. I think you have about 340k plus followers now. Yeah, 340k plus followers. That's a lot of people wanting to learn Kannada, which is a great thing. But I think why it's ironic is because where it started was there was a reel of mine. I'm a non-Kannadiga but born and brought up in Karnataka, where I spoke about, how much ever I try speaking in Kannada and I learn, there's always this set of people either trying to put me down or saying, do the whole thing in Kannada, right? So both of those are invalid. And Kantraj sir was here on that reel and we got amazing support. First of all, thanks for that. On that reel, Sakshi commented, almost saying, I feel you. I feel you, bro. I feel your thoughts. And then I checked Sakshi's page and I'm like, this is damn cool. So that was where I figured out Sakshi's work and I said, this is pretty cool, man. I mean, nobody's ever done this. So if you know Sakshi, great. This is a chance for you to get to know her better. We're going to go a little more than Kannada Gottilla today. We're going to get around that for sure. But let's meet Sakshi for a change, right? Apart from that. But if you don't know Sakshi, you should definitely check her page out. And this is an episode that, you'll get to know more about her from. So anyway, welcome Sakshi. Welcome again.
Thank you. Dhanyavadagalu.
How's
Good.
life?
Awesome. Dealing with exams.
Happy?
Yeah.
I think I should stop asking such deep questions in the start, no? I've been doing this too often. But are you happy?
I am. I'm satisfied.
You're satisfied. Okay. Not from what you told me, but I got to know a little information we can't disclose. But
beep.
that is not for you, anyway. So, congrats, first of all. I think, meeting people like you and getting an opportunity to interview such stories makes this place worth it.
Right.
Like, this is the reason I started it, saying, there are so many unique stories and I wanted to sit and listen to them and get those stories out. And your story is unique. And congratulations for that. I think that doesn't happen every day.
Yeah.
Doesn't happen every day. So let's jump straight right in. I know you're a non-Kannadiga. There was a lot of frustration about surviving in Bangalore, all of that. And, you said, hey, what, if I'm able to learn this language, things are going to get better. At the same time, you said, okay, I'm going to teach people. It'll help more people like me who have traveled from other states into Karnataka. Just let's start with that frustration of not being able to get around, right?
Yeah.
What got you pissed off?
I think there were a lot of incidents.
Okay.
I don't know why people, I would say they're brainwashed. I'm going to be very honest.
Let's go.
I feel they're very brainwashed here and everyone, I wouldn't say everyone, but a majority of people, they have this proper hate against Hindi speaking people.
Okay.
And
you're saying majority of Kannadigas have hate against Hindi speaking people. Let's start with that.
Yeah, at least the ones that I came across,
Yeah.
yes, I've seen that pattern. And with me,
It's almost by default.
you could say like that.
Yeah, it's almost by default.
Yeah, it's they get frustrated. I took my college here, so I'm studying here. And when I got into college, I obviously didn't know ki there's a lot of language barrier going on, because up there in Mumbai we have a different narrative of what Bangalore is.
Oh, which is?
It's a Silicon Valley of India. It's a metro city, and a lot of migrants live there. It's almost as awesome as Mumbai. So I thought, okay, ठीक है, migrating would be very easy for me. वही अगर मैं say suppose कोई और tier 2, tier 3 city जाती, तो I would have expected all this. But when I came here, suddenly like first day, second day, people, nobody, they wanted to be friends with me.
Oh.
Yeah, and I was like a new person, man. Yeah, like I was new in the city. I
So
didn't have
sad.
a house. I was literally like living in a suitcase. Aisa. And I was like, "Arey yaar, I'll make friends in college." But then I also got into second year directly because I
Okay,
did my
yeah.
diploma.
Okay.
So I got into degree then, and you have this thing that you can get into direct
I
second year.
understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So already all the groups and friends were formed. Aisa. But फिर भी I was like, थोड़ा तो मतलब just be
It's college.
yeah, aisa. But there was one incident. I think I've always talked about this one. It was I was really interested in agriculture, farming. Like I've not educated myself a lot on it, but there is an aspect of me which is like, okay, I want to do something in farming. Aisa. So in my diploma, I'd made a project, my final year project. Obviously, we got it from GitHub, but we modified it, and it was
ये
focused.
सब अभी आ रहा है.
Marks मिल गए. We modified it according to what we wanted, and it was agriculture focused. So when I came here, there was this really nice orientation that was going to happen on organic farming. And
In your college?
yeah, in my college. Yeah, we had a subject, which social development something, and that orientation was a part of that. So ironic, social development. So in that seminar, I mean the orientation, the host, he was speaking throughout in Kannada. And I was like, excuse me.
Did you?
I did that in front of 120 people. I got up and I was like, excuse me, could you please speak in English or Hindi? Because I don't understand Kannada. There are few other people like me who do not. And the person said, I want to share my experience in my mother tongue. And everyone was like, boo!
Do you or him?
To me.
Oh,
yeah.
I was having some hope, but
Yeah, so this happened and I was still like, okay, ignore.
Yeah.
I was like, but then this way I won't understand anything. I'm really interested, but if you continue in the same language, I can't. So can I just leave? Why would I waste my 3 hours, right? Yeah. And I said that very humbly. I requested that I don't want to waste my time. I would rather sit and do my assignments. So it was like, sit for 10 minutes. If you still don't understand, you can leave. And now he didn't do anything in 10 minutes to make me understand. Yaar. Matlab, he was just doing the same thing.
Same.
Yeah, so,
no, nothing changed.
yeah. So I was like, okay, this isn't helping.
Yeah.
So I just got up and I left.
But that was also in a way of you taking a stand.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been that person. Even in my previous college, they were like, okay, if you know this concept and if you're okay with not having your attendance, you can leave. So I used to get up and leave because I knew the concept at some times. I was like, okay, fine. Why should I waste my time? No, I'll go home, I'll sleep.
Sure.
Yeah. So this happened, but everyone, like all the people who were supposed to actually back me up and help me out, all the peers, they were like, oh, Simon, go back, this, that. First of all, it does not make sense that you're calling me Simon, go
yeah.
back. Yeah, matlab. that happened. So I went like, I just barged into my principal's cabin, and that day all the management was present. Like there were 15 people inside the cabin boardroom. I went and I cried, and I was like, oh, my parents have sent me, and I had spoken, like we had met 4 or 5 times before I got into that college. So I was like, you know that I'm from outside, and your friend, your students are doing nothing to make me feel like I'm at home. And what is this, like this, aisa, I want to go home. I don't want to be here, aisa. So he got up. He came, he spoke to them, aisa, and then like in front of everybody, he was like, you shouldn't be doing like this to her. And there were other people also.
What about the teacher?
Yeah.
क्या हुआ उसका?
टीचर वो so it turns out, और मैं ना बहुत frustrate हो चुकी थी. So I got so frustrated. The principal is giving his thing behind, like TED talk, and I was like, and I just left. Yeah, I did that. Like
किसके सामने?
सबके सामने. I was that frustrated कि मैंने 120 people
in front of the principal.
Yeah, I did that. Okay, I did that.
You showed 2 middle fingers
to
in front
everybody,
of your principal.
Yeah, like left row में सारे बैठे थे. Yes, yeah. And this is the least I could do, yaar. This is the least I could do.
Yeah.
I was like, I can't do anything.
Dude, this is like so legendary. Like I'm so proud of you right now.
Everybody hated me because of that.
I'm so proud of you right now because you have every reason to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have every reason to do that.
And people, they ended up hating me because I did that to them. And I was like, 120 people are doing this to me. And
उसका क्या है?
हाँ वही तो. You explain me that, I'll say sorry to everybody. I'll take middle fingers back. Yeah.
Nice.
That happened. So ऐसे कर करके there were a lot of incidents. There was a time when 2 people on bike, they just like grabbed my hand and they were trying to flirt or something like that happened. And I said something in Hindi. So they were like, oh, Hindi, ऐसा करके. And then they did it ऐसा और. So it was happening till college, but then I started understanding, oh shit, it's happening outside also.
Outside college.
Yeah, outside college. And it's probably because I live in a remote area. Okay, I live in the outskirts.
Where is this? We'll beep the name.
Yeah. So that side. Yeah. So for a very long time, when I used to call up my parents or maybe talk to other people, they were like, "Arey, because you live in a cow." So this might be the reason, but I'm like, ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है यार.
College के बाहर भी हो सकता है.
हाँ भाई, exactly. So I was like, I don't think so. When I got into the city, ऐसे when I used to come just to visit, वो होता था कि if I used to say something in Hindi, English was fine. You say anything in English, it was fine. But Hindi, they used to be like, rickshaw walas have told me you should learn Kannada. And I'm like, dude, it's my 10th day in Bangalore. Just spare me.
So what's the issue, Sakshi, then? What do you think is the issue?
I mean, there are a lot of dynamics.
I know.
Yeah.
But can we try to frame, first of all, let's reason this. Why? Yeah, what are the issues, first of all? First issue is we're saying that non-Kannadiga women don't feel the safest.
Yeah.
You would say yes?
Yeah. If you don't know the language, yes, there is a big this thing.
Okay.
It's kind of risky.
Okay.
People leverage that because they know that there is this, pro Kannada thing which goes on, and creepy men can leverage over that, saying she does not know
Kannada.
She's not a great person. There is, this is there. I've noticed, I've heard people, when I started my page, a lot of women, they shared their experience. Even with police. Yeah.
So getting around with the law is also harder.
It is.
If you don't know Kannada.
Yes.
What are the other issues? Let's name a few situations where...
I think just in general survival, you cannot make friends. You cannot.
In your college, in your workplace.
Oh my God, no. Yeah. Like, even after having 343k followers now, I feel so lonely.
How many real friends do you have in your college?
I don't.
You don't?
No.
I
thought
heartfelt friend in college?
No. I thought that I do.
But not really.
Yeah, but when you sit and introspect a bit, you're like, nah, I think they're just there till the college thing happens. There are people who are supporting me, but I wouldn't say they're friends, because they were not there for me when I didn't have this page.
Sure.
लोग
So you
बदल
don't know
गए,
why.
जज्बात बदल गए. मेरी डिग्री होना बाकी है.
वो आ जाएगा उसमें क्या. You've given them a middle finger for a speech. They're not going to fuck with your degree.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
No, yeah. I mean, on that, the reason why something triggered me to have this speech, I had actually locked this username 6 months ago itself before actually posting.
Amazing.
Okay, so because of these incidents, I was like, okay, I want to do something like this, but let's just have this name booked. Okay, like that. I'd made the account, but one incident triggered me full on. And you just talked about getting around the law, right?
Yeah.
I had complained against a professor in my college against misbehavior, etc. And it was just not me. There were other girls.
What misbehavior are we talking about?
I think we'll have to beep that part.
Okay.
He kind of and
message pay, face to face.
Message pay, and a lot of things, like not just me, other girls, different things. Yeah, different. And like that, because
yes, predatory behavior. Right?
Yes. So the moment I understood and some other events in the college triggered, I went and complained against him, and I got other girls. Okay. But I was the face of the entire thing. People didn't know that there are other local girls involved in the complaint
who have
faced the same issue, right? They just completely invalidated my thing. कि ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. No, you are the problem. You are wearing a jeans, or you are behaving this way, or you talked to him, or you texted him. I'm like, I think that's very normal. We live in 2024, and I texted him for something else, something related to my academics, but he took it to a different tangent. So I was like, I don't think so. That's valid. And I was in this already. People hated me, right? Like they were like, "Arey yaar, just get back to your."
This is after the middle finger incident.
Yeah. Middle finger incident was the 7th day of my college. Yeah. 7th day in Bangalore, 7th day in college. Thala for a reason.
Nice. Love it.
I get that from MS Dhoni. Yeah, so this though, just January. December, January.
So at what point did these girls leave your support? Were they at any point in your
I mean, I had to beg them a lot. So I went secretly and I was like, listen, if anything, if to every girl I was like, if any incident like this, please tell me, Yeah. I'll keep it anonymous. And I did that. I kept everything anonymous. But eventually when we fought for like 3 months, 3.5 months, and I'm still fighting. And I am getting labeled as typical. I would say it's an Indian thing.
Wow.
Yeah. So, but I am still fighting and everything. But
So is lecturer still there? Oh, ये सब बीप करना है चिराग. हाँ तो.
Please. जरूरत नहीं है. I've told them.
क्या?
नहीं चाहिए. मैंने तो रजिस्टर भी नहीं किया है. क्यों? हम बैठ के बना लेंगे अब तो तुम्हारा लैंग्वेज से.
You have more followers in the package.
Yeah. ब्रांड डील में ही हो जाएगा तुम्हारा भाई.
Easy.
Yeah. So then they were there.
I think it's the right time to do this, and let's. What's the message that you want to give the Kannada community? I think that's what's really important here, and I think we are aware of these things. I don't think it's not like कि नहीं पता.
हाँ, अगर नहीं पता तो तुम अंधे हो.
हाँ, पता है, सबको पता है. And it's just that once in a while someone like you says, I'm done.
Yeah.
Right? I'm done. I'm going to be speaking about this. And I mean, if there's a message you'd want to give the pure hardcore Kannada community, what would it be?
I would say I've kept saying the same thing that whenever an outsider comes, don't assume that they won't learn your language, or if they don't know your language, it does not mean that they're disrespecting it, because it's there, right? If I'm speaking in Hindi, people think that I am choosing to speak in Hindi because I want to disrespect Kannada, but that angle is just never there. We are not aware of the entire scenario, and there goes a lot behind migrating from one city to another, especially if you are a student. As a student, you have to figure out the housing part, cooking, the keeping away from home, missing your parents, having friends, etc., etc. So help the newcomers in every aspect, I would say. It's your responsibility to make the newcomers fall in love with the city. It's your responsibility. You take them around, you make them familiar with the culture. This is something that you should take up, and I'm sure in a few years you wouldn't have the same complaints around North Indians or people who speak Hindi. Yeah, so take responsibility, I would say. I'm requesting.
Yeah, I think that's the thing, right? Like, if a language needs to be respected more, it needs to be welcoming.
Yeah.
It can't be I shouldn't be forced with it. I should be welcomed. I should be made it's like when you have a bunch of friends who speak a language, and let's assume they are good friends, right? They laugh at your broken Kannada, for example, but they should try and teach you,
improve
at the same time.
Exactly.
And that's where the whole journey starts. And I've always felt this, like, all the role models of the Kannada language would never subscribe to this hate.
Yes.
Would never subscribe to this hate, right? Whether it's the actors or the politicians or the literates or the artists, not a single person will ever subscribe to hating a non-Kannadiga, making a living in. But I'll tell you what the problem is, and you tell me what you think about this, right? I think the primary reason that they give is, listen, this was our home, right? This was our home. You're taking employment away from us. This is the first one. Second, you're crowding the place. So let's start with that. What do you think about this?
I think if we just talk about Bangalore, it was always like this. Bangalore was always the city where all the trading happened, where people from outside, they used to come and, have the exchange. Yeah. So I think this was already there. Taking away employment, I don't understand. You shouldn't go out then. Why, as a proud Kannadiga, why are you moving to the States? Why are you moving to Mumbai? Why are you moving out? If that's the case, this one community should be inside the state itself. Nobody.
You should not be allowed to go out.
You can't have that. Sorry. If we are not allowed here, you can't go out. I'm so sorry. Yeah. It should be there. And if you really have this thing, you can't blame us. You should be blaming the MNCs. You want the Silicon Valley tag, but you also don't want other people. Like, people should know that a lot of development has happened here because migration has happened, and that's the case with every metro city. I don't think so Mumbai would have been Mumbai if there was no migration. Mumbai गाँव रहता. हमने कभी नहीं बोला. I myself, we are migrants. My dad is from, origin हमारा हरियाणा है, but last 4-5 generations we are in Mumbai. But never a Marathi has come up to me and been like कि तुम लोग हमारा employment ले गए or this is my land. It's never happened to me. Even in Pune जब आते जाते भी है, or if I have Pune friends, pure Pune friends, this was never the case. So I feel it's very invalid. If you want employment in your city, you should have the skills. Employment is not about...
by skill, not language.
Yeah. It's not about having... you can't get employment because you speak a certain language unless it's there on the profile.
Unless it's really required.
Yeah. I've learned German because I wanted to be in Germany, and it's given out there completely that you should know German.
Sure.
And I did that.
Sure.
Right? So,
Super. I think that answers the question.
yeah.
Tell me 3 things you like about Karnataka, Bangalore, the language of Kannada.
Oh, yeah.
What are 3 things you like?
First, I mean, I would say Karnataka is beautiful. Yeah. Even though like Maharashtra, Karnataka, they have similar stretch and all. I love the nature part here.
Okay.
It's one of the reasons why I live in the outskirts, because it's very green.
nice.
Yeah, I feel at peace. Then I would say there are some specific food items.
Okay, like?
I like masala puri. You
Masala
don't get
puri
that in
bhuji,
Mumbai. I
you
mean,
might, but you won't get it like
the same taste. Yeah. It's like
Masala puri in the rains is beauty.
yeah. And I think I've come across really good Kannadigas. So I'll tell you one thing. The people who force you to learn Kannada, they themselves don't know Kannada. They don't. Because now I'm in that part where I have to coordinate with people and ask them, okay, what is this called? But I read this there, I read this that, like different words and everything. And they're like, bro, actually even I don't know. And I'm like, and you were forcing me to learn Kannada? Hello, you should be learning that first. But I've come across like really good people, good set of people through my page, and they're really nice. I would say there are good people
who support a lot.
Yes, who support a lot. Yesterday in my meet, one Kannadiga showed up and he was like, I'm here only to tell you that you are doing a lot of great work, good work. No person has ever done that, and I'm here for you always.
Super.
Yeah, so I've met great people. Yes, love them.
A lot of, I think, even for me, it's been the same experience. So I think initial years of work and all of that, I realized that yes, Kannada is I've gone through the same thing, but I think a lot of Kannadigas now really support because they know the kind of effort I've put into learning, how much ever I've learned.
Yeah.
And that's true. Anyway, I want to keep the topic aside now for a bit. Now that a little ranting is done, which I knew had to be put aside.
Don't cancel us.
Don't cancel us. Abhi interview shuru hua hai. So who's Sakshi? What does Sakshi want to do with life? You can't teach Kannada all your life also.
Oh my God.
Yeah, let's start with that, right? Like
I'm just 22, spare me.
But dreams to rahega, no? You didn't.
Ambitions
you were not born saying I'm just going to teach Kannada. I mean,
I never expected that.
This is something I wanted to ask you because, and I'm sorry if I like make you think more than you want to be thinking right now, but
He's gonna make notes.
Yeah.
Kya karna hai life mein?
Because this is what I've seen, right? Like social media sometimes makes you think of something. Let's say now you're known for ABC, but you're not only ABC.
Yeah.
But the problem is you can't be ABC
Never.
always. So yeah, I just want to check what else does Sakshi want? Are there other professions? I mean, you seem like extremely talented girl. You must have So what other things do you?
There are a lot of things that I do.
Like?
I love dancing. I would say.
Okay.
Yeah. Dancing is something that I really love.
Awesome.
But career-wise, I think so. I started interning when I was 17.
So now you're studying what?
I'm doing my computer science engineering degree, third year.
Okay.
Yeah. I started interning when I was 17. So since then, I've had this thing. Okay, I want to become something like something really big shot.
Yeah.
But yeah, thoda confusion to hai life mein. But I just keep switching. Like even when I'm interning, I go from a tech intern to a business analyst intern to a social media intern to a copywriting, content writing, videography, ye wo, etc. So I'm like all over the place.
Okay.
I'm a generalist.
Sure.
So I'm still figuring out, but I do have ambitions. I want to own my business. I was working on a idea also, but I think it needs a lot of research. I was working on creating organic sanitary napkins at a budget, affordable rates, because now the ones you get, they are like really expensive.
The organic ones are expensive.
Yeah, very expensive. So I want to have my own business. I want to be like bus girl. Yeah, lots of ambitions, less time.
But business is something.
I'm a Marwadi. So if I don't do that, I just... Marwadi guys, I mean, I hope you're listening.
Nice, sweet. I can imagine you to be that boss lady as well.
If I'm not, I can't be. Like even when I'm interning, if I have like colleagues, I think I have this complex that I need to lead.
That's a good.
I'll direct this. Yeah. I'll do this. I'll do that. Yeah, I have that. Got to tone it down because I keep taking a lot then. It's like I end up overburdening myself. So
yeah, like day before you said you slept for an hour.
Yeah. So
how do you do that? I don't know.
That's I pull that off rarely. I think after the meet I just went to my friend's place and I slept like a baby. I was like, मुझे नहीं लगता मैं घर जा सकती हूँ, मुझे तो सोना है.
During school was where? Bombay.
Everything Mumbai except for the degree college.
Okay. Yeah. So school mein, like, were you like some head girl and were you?
I was about to be, but okay, no, I was.
You showed middle fingers again. Lost words from the.
I've done things there. I've done things.
हाँ क्या?
I've done.
कुछ.
मैं मारती पीटती काफी थी.
हाँ क्या? Wow.
But also again, I was a new person to the school. So I was a captain, I was a vice captain. I lost head girl position by like 10-15 votes, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That
she probably spoke Marathi. No, I'm kidding.
I topped in Marathi, by the way.
Oh, wow.
And I just gave it to my teacher because all the classes, she made me stand outside for being late. Yeah, तो मैं ना एक टाइम पे chocolates लेके आने लग गई थी because I was like, oh, I have to sit outside only, na, I'll sit. But then I ended up getting the highest scores and I was like, that's my certificate.
So you're that girl who basically like talks in class but still scores.
Yes, my entire school diary very talkative, very talkative.
Not many people like you, by the way. Nobody likes the person who acts like, they're not fully focusing.
Oh yeah.
But you end up scoring that way.
हाँ, मतलब मैं तो भी start करने वाली हूँ. And then the second day I'll get full marks and they'll look at me and I'm like, it's just me, guys.
So you did well in school.
I did, yeah.
But academically, were you like...
I was great.
Were you interested though? Like, does studying excite you?
Yeah. I mean, but I didn't have to put a lot of efforts. That was there because...
wasn't that hard?
It wasn't that hard. I could understand concepts and thankfully I have the capability to write in my own words. Okay. So I never had to sit and rectify everything like that because then it would have been difficult.
It becomes easy.
Yeah.
It becomes easy. I think it was the same for me as well. Like I think I was lazy and smart at the same time. So I just figured out the way to crack the exam then really academically upskilling. I would just crack the exam.
Yeah.
And I think that really works. You said you have a younger sibling, sister, brother?
He's a brother.
Okay, so what, he's in
Mumbai, yeah.
Okay.
So he has the entire house to himself now.
Okay, do they all watch your content?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
and he's like, he supports me a lot. He calls me up.
Okay.
And he's like, I think you should do this. You should know how to make money out of it. You change this content, you change this hook. Oh, that girl is copying you. Okay, I've just copied content on her Instagram.
Wow.
Yeah, he supports me a lot. My dad, mom was here in
Do they think you're famous?
Mom experienced it firsthand.
Okay, thoda.
So she was here March, April something, and by then I had good 200K something. Yeah. So I usually never take her out, but this time I was like, okay, let's go. Let's explore Bangalore with you. And I took her to Church Street.
The place where
Yes.
you can get recognized.
Yeah. So we were walking, and I was like literally fighting with her because I don't have this thing ki, 2 lakh people are following me. I'm like in my pajamas only, my Rick and Morty oversized t-shirt. Like worst hairdo, aisa kya, सोई नहीं नहाई नहीं ऐसा लगता है. And I was fighting with her on the road, like, oh, you did this, you did that, you did that. And we just suddenly 2 people, they come and they're like, Sakshi. And I was just like, oops, who? What? And they were like, hey, you're that girl. And I'm like, oh yeah, I'm that girl. And they just kept talking. And the same thing, on the same day, it happened to us. Like, I mean, the total number of people that we met was 15.
Wow, on the same day?
On the same day.
That's
so we went
cool.
to Cubbon Park, MG Road, Church Street. So, I mean, it's little obvious कि उधर हो सकता है ऐसा. So my mom was like,
fully happy.
Yeah. She was like, ठीक है, board में कम marks है, but you're still famous.
So now you're in your final year?
I'll go in my final year. I think Tuesday is my first final exam. Yeah.
Oh, so after that you're done with college?
No. First, मतलब 6 semester का final exam.
And after that?
2 more semesters.
Which is how long?
1 year.
Okay, so you have a year left.
Yeah.
It's quite a long time. How's your attendance in? Yeah.
That explains.
I think we should not talk about it.
Don't talk about your attendance. Very bad.
Minus.
What?
Yeah, I have to like cry, beg.
But what are you doing bunking classes?
I just don't like being there now. Even after the page, I've received a lot of hate, people mocking me.
Haan kya? Like when you're just walking in.
They'll be like, oh, namaskara, like very sarcastically. And I'm like, it's your language. You shouldn't be doing that, honestly. And one of the, okay, beep this part.
Sure.
But a lot of things happened, okay? That entire incident, it went on. And they thought I did that.
Oh, but someone else picked it
up. Because there were a lot of people involved, man. But मुझे बहुत trauma हुआ because I had to attend hundreds of calls. They set up this investigation agency and blah, blah, blah for investigating if I have done or not. I got into touch with St. Broseph's. I called Dushyant Bhai, everything. I told him, and then they sent a volunteer with me and everything. And I just told one thing to the I was like, sir, if I wanted to do it right now on my page,
I'll put it up.
I can do it. I have 280K followers right now. At that time, I was like, I can do it right away. I can do it while crying.
Yeah.
And I am sure he hadn't blown up. I was like, this will become very viral. And he was like, I know all the dirty things that you do on social media.
Wow, what dirty things are these?
Yeah.
I want to know more. Nobody knows. What is he saying
I was just
that
like,
nobody else is saying?
Time nahi, like, dry life.
What a guy, dude.
Yeah. Like things like this have happened. So I don't feel like being there. It's very negative. Whenever I go there, it just drains me up. Yeah. People don't appreciate. Because now it's like, oh, how come this girl has so many followers? It was not expected.
It's crazy how, first of all, doing well becomes like a bad thing in life, right? You usually think that once you do well,
people might,
things will get easier, but things will like you, people will like you more and all of that, but maybe not. But how do you look at all this, like at 22, 23, being in a place where you have that level of influence? How does that make you feel? And I'm sure you're very aware that like we said, it's not everyday thing.
Yeah.
Right? So how does that make you feel?
A lot of people following me. Yeah.
It's a pretty surreal place to be in.
Yeah. I feel like I've achieved a lot. You have that feeling. I wouldn't lie. And I got it in a very less time. People, when they asked me, I was like, I just started like 6 months back, and they're like, what?
You had a milestone at
10 days, mein 150K followers. Yeah. I'm pretty famous, guys.
Unheard of. 10 days, 150K with how many posts on your page?
I think there were like 3-4 posts. 3-4 reels. Yeah. And my
150K
second reel went up to like 2-3 M. So
Yeah.
Second reel itself.
It's crazy how your first post had that much engagement.
I mean, this showed that people needed this. People could relate to this.
It's so crazy, and it's basically a picture of yours.
I've just written like
with a long, decent, not very lengthy caption. Also.
Must be like 30 lines, I think.
Where she just described her age, where she's coming from, what issue she's facing, and why she's starting the page, and it has
blown up.
Yeah.
And support from both the communities.
Communities. Do you get a lot of abuses in the DM?
Not really, but some reels have gone wrong. So there.
Okay. Like. मैं ऐसे सेटअप करके लाता हूँ ऐसे सेटअप करके then I will bring it to the real point. So like
there was one reel. So there is a word, the pubic word for Kannada.
Shata.
Yes.
What is the problem with Shata?
Yeah.
This is what we are discussing, boss.
Stop laughing.
There's an issue here.
It's a language.
Right? There's an issue with Shata now.
Yeah.
What's the
and
issue
it's
with
like
Shata?
the most commonly used word, yeah. And
we said.
Yeah.
I never denied it.
And I मतलब मुझे ऐसा सिखाया था that it means shut up.
Oh. Yeah, that.
Yes. So I met the wrong set of Kannadigas and they taught me the wrong set of words with wrong set of meanings.
तो क्या हुआ?
तो मैं हर जाके शाटा चिल्लाती थी. I did that for so many weeks. Until one day my friend, he looked at me and he's like, do you even know what is the meaning of shata? And I was like, it means shut up. And he's like, no, sit. Hallelujah.
So, but why did it get you into trouble though?
So what happened? Now, he didn't tell me कि अरे यार उसको हिंदी मराठी नहीं आता. अगर उसने मुझे सच में बोला था ना कि इसका मतलब झाटा होता है तो मुझे समझ में आया था. Yeah, I mean you understand, right? You get the feeling.
You didn't bowl now all of a sudden.
Okay, he didn't tell me this way. He told me that it means pubic hair. Now pubic hair sounds so pavam, yaar. I mean, yeah, it's
first of all, pubic hair is not pavam.
Yeah.
Arey, there are many pubic hair.
Dangerous. Pubic hair is not allowed. Anyway, let's get into it.
So,
for warmth, no.
So this innocent pavam bachchi, she came back home and she was like, content idea.
Oh yeah.
So I came back home and usually I get my content checked by my Kannadiga friends. Okay, I have like 2-3 friends dedicated who will be like, okay, this is a go ahead thing.
Oh, now you went to them and you're like.
That I didn't go because they were busy. I had sent them the video, but they were out. I mean, so the internet was not working and I had this thing I have to post it every day. I used to not miss a single day.
That's what you promised on the first post.
Exactly. Yeah. So I was like, no way, yaar. I can't. And I checked it on Quora.
क्या type किया Quora में?
What does shata mean in Kannada? And
Were there responses?
Yeah.
How many people have searched for shata on Quora? I want to know.
And the same thing was written there. I said, okay, fine. So I made a reel.
Saying?
Did you also think shata in Kannada means shut up?
That backfired.
It received 1 M in just 12 hours. And a lot of tags at the Bangalore City Police.
Why are people complaining about pubic hair to the Bangalore police? The Bangalore police has more work than being worried about shata.
Exactly, yeah. And she is disrespecting Kannada. I'm like, this is a Kannada word.
All language people have shata. It is not just Kannadigas.
So a lot of hate comments came from them. Shame on you. What kind of content is this? Don't your parents, they scold you. You are your type of girls are the reason why this
Your type.
world. I'm like, bhai, I was like,
Your type.
yeah, bro, I'm putting posts in kurta. मतलब थोड़ा शर्म तो कर लो यार. There was one post where I think I'm wearing a t-shirt and people are talking about my figure now.
Wow.
Yeah, and I'm like, okay, I'm, like, okay, fine, chalega, I'm impressed. But
Even with the t-shirt, I'm getting so much.
yes, yeah,
ठीक है.
like, ठीक है, मतलब मैं awesome हूँ. Some guys like put on a dupatta from next time.
His name will be Nagraj.
Please beep the name, Chirag.
Yeah, Santosh.
Too many Nagraj who have done this to me. Yeah. Very stereotypical moral policing uncles.
Yeah.
So a lot of moral policing happens to me.
Happens to you? Wow.
Me.
Imagine.
Like out of all people, me.
Yeah.
Bro, मैं sleeveless में भी नहीं डाल रही हूँ reel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Anyway, that was a that was
Start a fire session. Beep.
Not allowed.
Chirag has more
तू
beeps.
पूरा
than he
वीडियो
cuts.
beep करने वाला है.
Like, fuck you all. He's gonna do this and move. ये क्या कट करना है, क्या रखना है,
क्या beep करना है?
क्या beep करना है? Fuck this
Cancel
shit.
हो जाएंगे भाई.
First of all, but his Kannada is good, so that helps. So he'll know what Shata is. So that,
Everybody should know.
yeah. Anyway, some have too much. No, let's not go there. Let's talk about your social media. It's a problem, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your social media a little more. Are there things you follow to make your account go strong, better, or you're just uploading? Like,
I just upload.
Are there tips?
No.
Are there any social media hacks you can give us today?
I'll tell you.
Yeah, let's go.
If you want to increase your shares, you share your reel to all the celebrity accounts.
Kya?
Because they never open, matlab, they will never see. If you're sharing it to your friends, they'll get bothered by it. Why are you sending me this again and again? But celebrity accounts, they don't open, right? So you can increase your numbers.
So how many should I send? Like 20?
You send anything, jitna chahiye itna डालो, 1000 को डालो, हो गया 1000 share. So this is one hack that my friend
Taught you?
taught.
Give me some more. No? Two more.
I don't have them any hacks. Yeah.
Some things you'll keep in mind.
Have a controversial hook.
Have a
Did
controversial.
you also think?
Yes, shuru mein.
Have a very controversial hook where people are like, what the hell? What the is wrong with this?
They should really like
hate you. Yeah, I'll tell you.
Okay.
And all my reels have become viral because I made some mistake. And then there were moral policing uncles. Hey, you, young girl.
There's a girl who. Have you seen that content?
Yes.
Young man.
Young boy.
Yeah. Literally that.
This is coming from her. I don't remember her account, but she's awesome.
She's awesome. What's her name? I forgot.
I don't remember.
Yeah. She's doing some nice
I've
stuff.
saved some reels.
Anything else? So one is like a obvious mistake.
Yeah.
Second is a hook. Third is what was the first?
Increase your shares.
Anything else you think?
No, I think rest is algorithm. Yeah.
Algorithm. Now, do you post regularly?
Off late, no. Because of my exams and everything, and at some point, you need to give people the space to learn also. So, but no, I have to get back at it because a lot of
this can become a big business as well. Like, can become like an edtech thing for a non-Kannadiga.
Yes.
You know, it's like, especially for college students.
Yes.
You should become the business where you're the person where every non-Kannadiga comes for a college in Bangalore.
Yes.
They are like, dude, I'm on those things. Like, I'm already doing these 2-hour things. every
We
week."
have a plan. I mean,
Yeah.
I need to have a team right now. It's been like 6 months and I'm working alone on this. I'm looking for tutors as well, but
Okay.
you don't come across good tutors who know Hindi and English very well.
Hindi and English.
Because it's you can get Malayalam to Kannada, Tamil to Kannada, Telugu to Kannada, okay, but Hindi to Kannada explanation wale nahi hai. There are Kannada people who are teaching Kannada, but they don't have a good command at Hindi and English, so it becomes really difficult. And let's say you are my tutor, okay, I need to relate to you. I need to be like, अरे यार इसके साथ भी same चीजें हुई है. So, and as a tutor also, you will understand what to teach me.
Sure.
So वो एक aspect है जहाँ पे we are looking for Kannada tutors at budget. But वो थोड़ा tough है यार. Tutor hunting is tough, very tough.
So it's time to teach you some Kannada today.
Let's go.
Let's open up some
Rapid fire.
nice phrases. So here's how we'll do it. We compiled a few very OG phrases of the Kannada language.
I've covered the first one.
Which one?
Chindi chitrana, bundi mosran.
Oh, you know what it means?
Yeah.
Okay, what does Chindi Chitrana Bundi Mosrana mean?
मुझे चिंदी चित्राना याद नहीं है. चित्राना is lemon rice, mosrana is curd rice.
Okay.
ना इतना पता है.
But what does it mean?
I don't know the literal translation. I only know is if you want to like, if you really like something or if something is like awesome,
Yeah.
you can be like chindi chitrana, bundi mosrana.
Okay.
And yesterday, one of my mates, yesterday this Gujju lady, she came up to me and she's like, I remember one phrase very well from your account. And I was like, which one? She's like, chindi chitrana, bundi mosrana.
So she's already ahead.
I was like, that's how my sessions are.
let's test a few more. Nange chamak kodtiya.
ನನಗೆ ಮುझे चमक ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ.
What is chamak?
Shine.
But nange chamak kodtiya.
मैं चमक रहा हूँ क्या?
No.
मुझे चमक देगा क्या?
No.
तो?
You're trying to mess with me only.
Oh, yeah.
Nange chamak kodtiya.
ನನಗೆ ಚಮಕ್
Okay, you
ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ.
gotta say it with more like.
You trigger me, then I'll tell you.
No, I'm not triggering you.
तो
Nange chamak
मतलब
kodtiya.
it's like मुझे सिखा रहा है, मुझे एटीट्यूड दे रहा है क्या ऐसा?
No, yeah, I want to do.
It's like you're trying to scare me only.
हाँ.
It's that.
ನನಗೆ ಚಮಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ.
There you go. Next one. Oost ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Oos is what?
Oost. So, let's say you had a really tiring day. So you come home and your friend gives you another task to do. You're like, macha, oost ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Oost ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಾನು.
Oost is you're out. ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Dead. अच्छा.
Oost ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Oost ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
मर गया हूँ मैं.
हाँ. आदर्श oost ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Nice.
Yes, please.
I figured.
But every guest struggles. Okay, next. Let's try something else.
I learned one yesterday.
Which one?
तले तिन बेड़ा. तले तिन बेड़ी. हाँ.
Tale tin bedi. Okay.
तले तिन बेड़ी.
Okay. This is something your favorite uncles will say when they meet you. Yenappa Rajkumar. Have you heard this before?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why can't I be Rajkumari? But feminism a lot.
Okay. So this is the next one. I'll give you an example and then I'll tell you a few and let's see if you can come up with one. Okay. We'll try this. I think this is nice. Why am I coughing so much? I think I know.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is a OG one that says Suryange Torcha.
I know this one.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So I'll give you a few credits to Gubbi for sending us this. Suryange
that
Torcha like this. नाइगे बिस्किटा.
कुत्ते का बिस्किट क्या?
No. See,
कुत्ते को बिस्किट देगा क्या?
First of all, context. Suryange torch is like for the sun only or.
Oh.
So for the sun only, you are hitting a torch.
तो मतलब मेरे को ही सिखा रहा है क्या ऐसा ऐसे? हाँ, मैं
like this, I'll give you 2, 3, but then you gotta come up with one. Okay. You gotta come up with one.
I'm going.
No, I'm helping you. The next 2, 3 will really help you out. ನಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟಾ. For dog only what? Okay. ರಾಕಿಗೆ KGF.
Oh my god.
Next one. OAPN ಗೆ podcast. Now.
I say something very controversial.
Right.
Go for it.
I get cancelled.
No, go for it.
No, go for it.
It's very controversial.
No, let's go.
We are beefing this.
No, this is what.
I will be next on the list, please.
Oh my god. That is the mic drop
This
of today. Mic drop
is the
of.
first line.
No, good one. Could
have said Sakshi ke shata.
Oh my god. Anyway.
We need to give something very toned down.
नहीं हो गया. No more submissions. No more submissions. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, I think this is really nice. Yeah, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
I hope you liked this
Yes.
episode. I
Yeah.
hope you enjoyed coming here. Honestly, it's really like I told you, like this is exactly why we do this, right?
Yeah.
Like just reminds us that yes, we need to keep going. So keep doing what you do. I feel like I mean there's a lot more you're going to be doing. I think in a few years you'll be in different places doing different things, I'm sure. But all the best.
Thank you.
For everything that you're doing. Don't worry about
The beeping part.
Don't worry about the college. I think it's you're not in a few years it won't even matter that much.
It does not
It's
matter
already,
now.
And that's the beauty, beautiful thing about today, right? Like there was a time when I'm really struggling boss today. I'm very sorry. There was a time when only your college decided what your future is.
Yes.
Or there was a time when only your relationship decided what your future is, or your friends decided. We are truly living in a time where we have full control. Right. Just with that support from our parents, we really have full control over how we want to take things. And I also want to say this, that you are also an example of the fact that if something is bothering you, you can do something about it. You live in a time where you can.
Yes.
Do you? And first of all, do you truly believe in that, right?
Yeah.
Because if you don't believe in that, that's when it doesn't work.
Correct. Yeah.
But if you really believe in that, and if you want to make that change, it's there.
Yeah.
People are there to support.
Yeah.
And I think your story is a real example of that. So anyway, Sakshi, any final words for your audience who have watched till here?
Don't take shit.
Don't take shit. Don't take
please.
shit.
I mean, it's not just about language. Like in any aspect, like how you said, there's solution to everything.
Yeah.
That's one learning that I've had from this page.
Yeah.
So stop taking shit. Start making peace. Please, we need a lot of peacemakers here. वरना सबको पेसमेकर यूज करना पड़ेगा.
You've practiced for this interview.
I'm not.
You have, like the amount of bombs you're dropping.
This is me. This is more than Kannada Kotalla. Yeah. And if you find me, please hi bol do chalega. Yeah. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. There you go. This was Sakshi Bed on the OAPN podcast. This was episode number 112. Thank you for watching. If we offended you, which I think we did a little.
Yeah.
nothing from the heart. You should know that by now.
Yeah.
Only love. But those jokes still stand. I hope you laughed with us too. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.